everybody, I'm Shivani and this is NIJ Lifestyle. I've been sharing some recipes with you and got a lot of comments that I haven't shared any desserts so far. मीठे की डिमांड है तो आज कुछ मीठा हो जाए। रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार भी आ रहा है और आप सबने राखी की तैयारी तो कर ही ली होगी। बहनों ने अपने भाइयों को राखियां भेज दी होंगी। कुछ लकी भाई बहन जो सेम सिटी में रहते हैं इकट्ठे होकर राखी बांधेंगे और ऐसे त्योहारों में अच्छा खाना तो लाजमी है। This is the perfect time to conjure up this fantastic sweet dish or dessert for your brother or sister or friends and family. So today I'm making a dessert for my brother that he absolutely loves. Today I'm making a very popular dessert in Hyderabad called Apricot Delight. It's actually a modern twist to the age-old Khubani ka meetha, which is also a traditional dessert of Hyderabad. Now Khubani ka meetha is a bit too sweet, but this is more like a trifle. It's a layered dessert and it also has some elements of an international dessert called tres leches. As you know, India is fast becoming globalized and of course people want to try new desserts on special occasions other than the traditional mithai. So this is a perfect way of mixing the best of both worlds. So to make this dessert, we need 200 gram apricots. You need some custard powder, some milk, cream, a cake, a normal cake, sponge cake or pound cake, some sugar, dry fruits, some milk powder. So first of all, what you need to do is soak these apricots that I had taken them at night and soaked them in water. And the next morning they are nice and soft, and now I'll start the cooking. So first of all, I'm gonna put these apricots along with the water in a pan and boil them for some time. So I'm letting it cook for a while until it starts becoming soft. So now in another pan I'm taking some milk and making a custard as per the packet instructions. You're taking a little colder milk in a bowl and adding the custard powder, around 3 tablespoons for half a liter. I've added the custard powder in the milk and I'm making a thick custard with it. So Rakhi is one of the most popular festivals celebrated mostly in northern India. Do you know the tradition behind this festival? It is believed that Draupadi once tore a strip of her sari and tied it on Krishna's wrist that stopped Krishna's bleeding from a battlefield wound. Krishna then declared her as his sister. In return, Lord Krishna protected Draupadi when she was abused by the Kauravas in front of Pandavas who had lost her in the gambling bet. So the history of this festival dates back to Mahabharata times and perhaps before that too. Ever since then, this unique festival of the bond between a brother and sister is celebrated in India. Today, if we see, we interpret it in our own way. Siblings are the best friends we have for life, and if need be, sisters and brothers can protect each other against any calamity or challenge in life. So that is how I look at it today. We all need brothers and sisters to protect us whenever we want. So now they are looking fairly cooked. I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar in it. So this will be super sweet like Khubani ka meetha is. So now I'm adding some sugar to the custard. I would suggest don't make it too sweet because we have different elements in this dessert that are going to be combined together. So it's better that you keep it less sweet. Okay, so meanwhile I'm going to take this cake and cut fine slices out of it because we will be layering this dessert. So I'm just gonna cut thin slices. Now I'm gonna crush the dry fruits. So our custard is now made. I'm gonna take it out in a bowl and keep it in the fridge for cooling. The nuts are crushed, so I'm adding a few to the custard. and some I will save for the garnish. So now it is looking very soft, and I'm gonna mash the whole thing with a masher till it becomes like a jam-like consistency. So just cook for 2 minutes more and mash it further with the spatula. Let all the water evaporate. We'll take it out in a bowl and let it cool for some time. So this is the Treleches milk we are making. I've taken some milk. In this I have added some milk powder, some cream, sugar also into it. Add a few drops of vanilla essence. If we talk of history, Raksha Bandhan also finds its links to the birth of goddess Santoshi and the relationship goddess Lakshmi and King Bali shared among many other fables of similar nature. So now let's start assembling the dessert. Okay, so now I'm gonna start layering the dessert. First of all, take some cake slices and layer the bottom of the dish like this. Take the apricot jam and apply liberally. So the jam taste should definitely be predominant. Okay, now take the thick custard with the nuts, pour it over. Then another layer of the cake. Some more of the apricot. Okay, you can also add few spoons of this cream that we made to make it even more soft, because the better soak the sponge is, it will be more and more tasty. Now again I'm gonna add some custard on top. Okay, so now it is done. If you want, you can add a few more nuts on top, and we'll keep this in the fridge for cooling down for a while. So here is our dessert. It's all ready, and now I'm going to tell you how to serve it. And now to serve this dessert, take a whole layer of slice of the cake and place it in a bowl like this with a little custard. And now that the milky milk that we made, that has to be poured on top, and some more of the apricot. You're done. Now to the most important part, the tasting. Ooh, this dessert looks so nice and gooey. Let me just have a bite of it. Amazing. Very good. I'm sure you'll love it. So I hope you like this recipe. Do try it out and let me know in the comments. Hope you have a blessed Rakhi. My only request to you all will be to go for locally made Rakhis that support our artisans. India has such a strong heritage of handicrafts. Why should we tie cheap plastic Rakhis procured from other countries? This year, listening to PM Modi's call of Vocal for Local, artisans from Tripura have made eco-friendly Rakhis with bamboo and jute. In Kulu, Himachal Pradesh, many NGOs and women's groups are making Rakhis, boycotting Chinese raw materials. You should also search for locally made handmade Rakhis and celebrate this day, giving support to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay aware, stay healthy.